Understanding garage door panel repair and replacement in Southlake TX. A damaged garage door panel isn't just unsightly, it affects safety and curb appeal. In Southlake, Texas, timely repair is essential to maintain home value and functionality. What makes up a garage door panel? Panels are connected sections supported by hinges and tracks. Damage to one can throw off alignment, causing operational problems if not addressed early. Common causes of panel damage: accidents, severe weather, wear and tear, and poor maintenance can lead to dents, warping, or misalignment over time. Warning signs to watch for: visible cracks, dents, uneven movement, strange noises, or light seeping through gaps mean it's time for a professional inspection. Repair or replace. Minor cosmetic damage may be fixed with realignment or patching, but multiple panels or severe dents may require full replacement for safety and function. Why prompt action matters. Neglecting damaged panels can reduce energy efficiency, weaken security, and lead to more costly garage door repair needs. Material considerations. Steel, wood, aluminum, and composite panels each respond differently to damage. The material affects whether a panel can be repaired or must be replaced. Call a local pro in Southlake. Even if the damage seems small, a garage door expert ensures safe and lasting solutions. Don't delay. Get a local repair assessment today.